Here at Delta Technologies, we manufacture highly engineered plastic injection molds, primarily for the automotive industry as well as the consumer markets as well. On this campus, we have 3 buildings, roughly 200,000 square feet of manufacturing square footage. We have right around 25 machining centers of all different shapes, sizes, and types. So before we started working with API, we primarily relied on the machine tool manufacturers, their service departments, and typically we'd see long lead times. We'd get on a waiting list, and we'd eventually get the work done, but it wasn't around our schedule. So when we first started working with API, we were primarily looking for a solution to qualify all of our injection molds before shipping them to a customer. API was able to come out here and help us a couple times on some short lead times through their services. And then we eventually ended up purchasing some of their equipment and haven't looked back since. When API first came out here, Delta was kind of stuck in the stone age of we had traditional CMM machines that did the job, but weren't really what we were looking for. API really came in and kind of transformed the way we looked at metrology, as well as how we can qualify what we're shipping to our customers. Working with API over time, they've really kind of become an extension of our quality department. We rely on them not only for their services, but also to be there when we need them to help answer questions on the equipment that we have here in-house. We work with not only their sales team, but their application engineers, as well as their service members to come out and help us guide us through problems and issues that we're having on a day-to-day basis. Here at Delta, our manufacturing process is quite unique. It's what we pride ourselves on to set us apart from the rest of the industry. Integrated into that manufacturing process is our API equipment, from scanning to our ball bar, and even utilizing some of the other machine calibration tools that we have. Our scanner is the lifeline of our machine shop. It qualifies every single piece of steel that we cut here, whether it's a full-size core and cavity block, or it's small components such as lifters and slides. Thousands of inches and tenths of millimeters matter to us, and that's where API really shines. Being a mold maker, we utilize a lot of different equipment, and a lot of it's very specialized. Behind me are 2 unisig machines. They're deep hole drilling machines as well as regular horizontal machining centers. We have linear high-speed 5-axis machines that are tailor-made just to do high-speed finish machining. We also have smaller machines that are built for doing smaller components, so we really had to find and cultivate a lot of the different machine tools that are best at what they're doing. To us, API is one of the most important tools in our toolbox. We wouldn't be able to do our job on a daily basis without relying on their people and their equipment, and I think it's something that other tool shops really can benefit from.